Welcome to another Simple Dad WhatsApp tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new feature in WhatsApp called Communities and how to start a community chat window. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So communities provide users with the ability to organize and bring related groups together under one umbrella. So for example, a kitty party members, a football team, or people living in the same street. So let me show you how to start a community on WhatsApp. So before we begin, first let's update your WhatsApp application to the latest version. You can do this by going to your App Store or to your Play Store. Once that's updated, go ahead and tap on Open. Once you open it, at the bottom here, you'll notice Communities. So this is a new tab which they have introduced just recently. So to start a community, go ahead and tap on that. Here, give your community a name. Then I'll tap on Next. Now here you can add an existing group which you have already created. So if you already have a group for cricket, or you can create a new group and add all the new members to it. So I already have a group, so I'll go ahead and tap on Add Existing Group. Select my group, then tap on Add. Then I'll tap on Create at the top right. Now I've created a cricket team community, and within that community I've added a group. So now if you go back, go into your chats, you'll see your cricket community just here at the top. So since you created this community, you're the admin for this community and you can only make the announcements. So that is what communities is all about and how to start it on WhatsApp. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.